Hello my friends, let's make one of Google Cloud logos. So step 1, make one rectangle and set the value 166 and 83 here. Then make one more copy of this one, copy and paste in place, and set left transform anchor point and set the value 83 here. Then make one copy of this one and make it a little bit bigger here. Then make it down a little bit, and after that make a rounded here. Then this one also make it rounded like this. Then select the rectangle and this 2 points, let's make rounded here. Okay, so once we done, select shape builder and hold on option or alt key and cut it. Then let's trim those shape here and keep zooming. Let's make this one too. Then we have to merge over here. Okay, and change the tool, direct selection and select, then delete it. After that select all of this, then set the stroke value something 35 something. Okay, and after that select all of that, object, expand, make it okay, then make it one like a straight line here. After that set some stroke color here. Then make one more straight line over here. Select all of that, select, then separate this division, delete rest of the line here. Let's make color. For my case, I was keeping one of this layer. So this is the final logo. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. So if you like, please support me. Thank you.